In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on your Wix website. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you find the footer section. The footer is the area that usually contains things like copyright text, contact details, social links, or extra navigation. Click anywhere in that footer area to select it. When it's selected, you'll see the editing options appear, which means you are ready to start customizing it. One of the first things you may want to adjust is the design and size of the footer. To change the design, click the three dots and then choose the Change Footer Design option, which is marked with a paintbrush icon. From there, you can update the background color, add an image, adjust the opacity, apply borders, or even add a shadow. These settings help you make the footer match the rest of your website and give it a more polished, intentional look. If the footer feels too tall or too small, you can resize it as well. Move your mouse over the top edge of the footer until you see the stretch handle. Then click and drag it up or down. This lets you control the height, so the footer has enough room for your content without taking up too much space. Next, you can edit the actual content inside the footer. If you want to update text, like a copyright notice or business information, just double-click the text. You can then rewrite it and use the text toolbar to change the font, size, and styling. This is a simple way to keep your footer accurate and visually consistent. If you'd like to include navigation links, you can add a text-based footer menu by going to Add Elements, then selecting Menu and Anchor. This can be useful for giving visitors quick access to important pages from the bottom of your site. For social media links, click on your social bar. From there, you can update the links, add more social platforms, or change the layout of the icons so they fit your design better. You can also use the Quick Edit button, which opens a simplified side panel where you can quickly change text, update social URLs, or adjust colors more efficiently. If you want your footer to stay visible while visitors scroll, turn on the freeze feature. And if you prefer to hide the footer on a specific page, open the Pages menu. Click the settings wheel next to that page, go to the Layouts tab, and select No Header and Footer. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.